Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials: Apple Developer Access, an app record in App Store Connect, and a matching bundle ID. Next, open Xcode and enable the Game Center capability in your target's signing and capabilities. This inserts the entitlement file. Once done, set the bundle identifier to match the App Store record so authentication works. Then, add a basic Game Center-enabled Scene or Manager class to your project and import GameKit. These first actions prepare authentication and server-side configuration simultaneously. Now, configure the middle steps. In App Store Connect, create leaderboards and achievements with identifiers that match your code. In Xcode, implement GK Local Player. Local. Authenticate handler to sign players in and handle errors or UI prompts. Use GK Score to report scores and GK Achievement to report progress. Send updates only after game logic validates results. Also implement saved state syncing and test with sandbox accounts. Make sure to increment versioning for metadata changes so App Store Connect recognizes new Game Center assets. Finish by thoroughly testing. Sign in with Sandbox Game Center Tester accounts on devices, verify leaderboard submissions and achievement unlocks, then archive and upload a build to App Store Connect for review. Once the build is processed, attach the build to your App Store submission and describe Game Center features for reviewers. If something breaks, first recheck entitlements and matching bundle identifiers. Next, validate Sandbox account status and network restrictions. A key troubleshooting tip: enable detailed logging for GameKit calls to trace failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.